As usual, I forgot to film about 90% of this. Just doing the first oil change on the Scout. And so I got the oil change kit from Indian. It includes 2 crush washers. It's actually pretty easy. They actually have a video covering how to do it. So I'm just putting the oil back in now. I got the old oil out. It actually looked a little milky, which means there might have been some water in it, but that's why I'm changing it before I try to do anything with it. All right. Paint is definitely not perfect, but wow, that flake, that metal flake in there looks just amazing. This thing is loud. All right, out on the Red Indian. Color is called Wildfire Red. Did the oil change a little while ago, so this is kind of a test run to make sure everything's okay. I don't know how loud this is going to be in the recording, but it is pretty damn loud. What a beautiful day it is. After so much rain and snow and everything, man, I just had to get out this afternoon. Oh, is it ever nice to be out. Last time I checked the temperature, it was in the low 50s. I'll take it. Of course, I don't know how much I trust these tires. That's all right. I'll just take it easy. So I have to say, I have multiple motorcycles in my garage. Some of them in various states of being taken apart. And all my neighbors know that I work on bikes. This bike in my driveway, I had 4 neighbors who have never spoken to me before stop by and ask me about the bike. I don't know if it's the color or if it's just they like Indians. I don't know. Really surprised me. I went to the dealer today to get fork oil and radiator antifreeze, and he told me, he said I don't care what condition, if you have a Scout, we'll take it because they have none. And he said Indian isn't making any right now because they don't make money on them anyway, and with a supply shortage they're basically putting the priority into the bigger bikes that make money. So I mean, I don't blame him. But yeah, he said he said if I had 5 of them, he would buy all of them. So I guess I need to hurry up and get these bikes finished if I'm going to make money for charity for these. I still have not heard back from the one charity that I reached out to. I don't want to mention them in case something happened. But they're supposed to actually give bikes to veterans. And that's what I would prefer to do, is have at least one of these bikes go to a veteran. But they haven't responded to me, so I don't know. My fallback plan right now is just sell at least one of them and basically take the proceeds and donate it. Because the company I work for, Microsoft, will actually match that 100%. And so basically I'll be doing twice the amount of good. That's pretty darn cool. So if you know of any veterans charities that accept bikes, please let me know. This is something I think I'm going to start doing every winter now, is buying some bikes and fixing them up over the winter time, and then either donating them or selling them and donating the proceeds. So let me know. So I've only ridden about 3 miles on this bike so far, I think. But the suspension isn't as bad as what I was expecting. It's not nearly as bad as the Honda Rebel was. I'm going to change the fork oil anyway. Ooh, what a nice day. I might stop and take a picture of the bike. Depends on if I can get a spot in the sun or not. Might be a couple spots down in here. Heck yeah. Oh man, what a beautiful day. Eggshells on the ground. It's always cool. Check out that bike. Woo. This is going to be my first time getting on the highway with this thing because it's riding really well. So first time into 6th gear for sure. Woo! Damn, she pulls. That's only 5th? Holy shit. Good. Way more than I was expecting. RPM at 75 miles an hour. That's pretty damn good. Down to 70, 3700, 3650. That's really good. Gorgeous day. Hope wherever you are, you're also having a good day. Bye.